good afternoon, rather good evening to each and everyone who is with us in this debut online class of this session. So I snatch the opportunity to hail, acclaim, and welcome all SDSW from B and C from 7 oblique 31 UK, COE NCC Rishikesh. Amidst COVID-19, we have only this way to teach you. So today is our first, and this type of class will go thrice in a week. So today I am going to discuss with you on the two topics that are in front of your eyes, that is basics of social service and its need, NGOs role and contribution. So let us see and enjoy one by one. This is profile of myself. You can see later on because we have very positive the time. So let us come to the main. So these are the two captions with which I have to deal with you. I have already told you in the beginning of the first slide. So let us see one by one. That is basics of social service and its need, and NGOs role and contribution. Now see the first topic that was given and selected by 31 UK PNNC Hardwar, that was the basics of social service and its need. Now the question arises, what is social service based introduction? So social service is defined broadly as provisions made by governmental or voluntary efforts to meet income maintenance, medical care, housing, education, recreational needs, and provisions for the care and protection of recognized social groups. Yeah. So first of all, we have to sort out any groups that is in acute need, that is in the paucity, that is suffering from money, or that is passing through hand to mouth. So that is the basics of social service. So let us see. So social service means, first of all, we have to find out any group, any individual, any society that needs the help given by us, being NCC cadets, NCC officers. So objective is to help the individual to utilize his capability for his own welfare and for that community. So in the society, whether any individual or any group, so we have to help them. Aim. Aim will be to acquaint the cadets about the basics of social service, weaker sections of our society and their needs. So keeping in view the aim, we have to go ahead. So preview. So there are two parts we have to deal with. That is part first, basics of social service, and part second, weaker sections of our society and their needs. So first let us cover part first, that is basics of social service. So social service can be given basically to three categories. First one is social case work. An aim is to help the individual make maximum use of the established community through outstanding understanding of the individual in his total situation. So we have to find out any individual in the society, and as per the need and greed of the individual, we have to help him and then assist him. So that will come in the first, that is social case work. So far as social group work is concerned, it seeks to help the individuals utilize their fullest capability for their own welfare and for the welfare of the group as a whole through understanding of the behavior of the individuals in a group setting. So we have to find out whether there is any group in our neighborhood, in our society, we have to find out that group, and accordingly we have to assist that group as well as individual of that group. And third one is community organization. So it attempts to help group of individuals or groups of agencies to work together so that their combined efforts will be useful for the social welfare of the whole community. So in this third category, we have to take complete community. In the first category, we can take any individual. In the second group, we can take any social group as well as individual. But in the third community, we have to see whether any community needs for the help given by us. So first we have to find out the needy, the greedy, whether individual or community, and keeping in mind we have to help them. Now, the types of social services. So, I request all the cadets one by one kindly unmute yourself and tell which kind of help, which kind of social service as a cadet we can give to the individual, to the society, to the community. So, take your time, 1 minute for all. Please, first. किस प्रकार की सामाजिक सेवा हम समाज के लिए कर सकते हैं, अपने को म्यूट करके एक एक पॉइंट को जल्दी से यहां पर नरेट करिए. हेलो, just unmute yourself and tell the service which kind of service we can provide to the society, to the individual, to the community. Yes, cadets, now my
As
over
a
to you. Yes, tell, hurry up.
yes, sir. As an NCC cadet, we do Swachh Bharat Abhiyan
Very good. Next.
as a social service.
Okay, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is the drive given by PM. So every year, last year, we are doing this sanitation. Okay, very good. Next.
Sir,
Sir,
we
by
do plantation.
donating of blood.
Okay, blood and plantation. Yes, this activity is also done by us. Every year we do plantation, and every year we do twice or thrice blood donation. Okay, thank you. Next.
Sir, we can raise funds for the poor.
Okay,
Peoples.
yes. For the poor. Yes, very good, very good. Okay, next.
So we can do food distribution.
Okay, amid COVID-19, we are doing this thing from the last 6 months. So very nice. Okay, thank you. Next.
Sir, to educate people.
Okay, yes, around the society you find so many illiterate, uneducated. So if we make them educate, that is the great work, human service for us. Okay, thank you. Next.
Sir, social awareness initiatives like dowry, alcohol consumption, etc.
Yeah, because you are youth, you are going to be married next time. So you have to take an oath that you are not going to take any dowry. Okay, so bear in mind. Thank you. Next.
So we educate people to conserve water.
Okay, water is the need of the 21st century. If there is no jal, there is no kal. So we have to pay more attention on the value of water. Okay, thank you. Next.
So we can conduct anti-drug drives.
Okay, drugs, anti-drugs, yes, because nowadays youths are diverting from their right path, so we have to channelize their energy and bring them on the right track by making them aware about this anti-drugs. Okay, thank you. Next. Yes, please. You are 70, so that means 70 social service must be told by you.
So fitness awareness.
Okay, yes, fit India movement is going on. Okay, we should make them aware that that because health is wealth. Sharir madam khalu dharma sadhanam. So we have to restore energy, physically fit, mentally elevated, and spiritually exalted. We have to bear three principles in mind. Okay, thank you. Next.
Sir, AIDS awareness rally.
Awareness really about AIDS. Okay.
AIDS.
Yes, we have to, yes, AIDS awareness really we have to, okay, do, okay. Thank you. Next.
Sir, we can spread awareness about mental illness of people.
Mental illness, because we must be sound from our mind. So that's also the good drive. We have to take the responsibility on our shoulder. Thank you. Next.
In case of disaster, we can help disaster relief like earthquake when we are facing
because
this type of activities.
Uttarakhand is such a place that there are so many natural calamities like fire, like disaster. So if we take this drive in our hands, so naturally we can do this human service for society. Okay, next, only last 2-3 seconds. If you want to say.
Jain sir,
Yes,
sir,
please.
Uttarakhand is in the third rank of literacy, so we can aware people about education.
Education,
we need
yes,
to
okay,
improve our-
very, because we are studying in the temple of learning, that is education. So first and foremost duty is to make them educate. So you have brought so many points. So just I want to tell more which are in my mind, like family welfare program, medical care, family planning and nutrition, because nowadays China kept controlled with the help of family planning, so we can teach them provision of water, as it is already been told, cooking fuel, roads, saving electricity, sanitation already told by you, old age support systems, employment, because employment youth, if after getting education, if youth is not getting service, so there will be a problem. So we have to tell them that we should advocate vocal for local, so that we can stand on our own leg. Social assistance, social security, care and protection, housing, rehabilitation, recreation, sports, and so forth. So there are so many activities. So I want to say that each cadet has to take one drive and complete in your neighborhood amidst this COVID-19. Okay. So let us take the second part, that is weaker sections of our society and their needs. So generally we see that our society is filled of so many caste. So basically we have SC, ST, OBC and gender, and our constitution provides them some reservation. So they, Mahatma Gandhi also called them as Harijan and Girijan, SC as Harijan and ST as Girijan. So they are also known as Dalit and Adivasi. So we have to take their fingers in our hands. We have to make them walk with our taking our company. We should not realize them that they are too far from us. So that is our human beings. That is our mentality, that we have to uplift them by giving them some support, physical, mental and spiritual. So now needs of weaker section. So weaker section, SC, ST, OBC, even some are some may be in general category, and some may be in poor, although SC, ST most. So the basic three things we have to give with full emphasis and with full stress, that is education, employment based on reservation, because education is the manifestation of perfection already in man. So if we educate them, then they can do any work, and whether they get employment or not, but they can start their own business if we make them educate. Although government of India and each state is also providing a sort of reservation. So with the help of these three steps, with this tribe formula, we can give support to the weaker section of the society. Now again I am coming to you. So apart from the things we have discussed, kindly one each cadet will say one sentence. What kind of contribution of NCC cadets can be for such weaker section of the society? So if you are at this stage, so what type of help you are going to give to these weaker section? So unmute yourself and say one by one. Yes, please. First. इस कमजोर तबके के लिए आप किस प्रकार की एज ए एनसीसी कैडेट किस प्रकार का योगदान समाज देश आपसे उम्मीद करता है?
So we can teach those poor children by making class.
Okay, teaching. Okay, very
by
good.
providing
Teaching.
them.
Next.
So contribution are nowhere written, but compulsory as an outcome of his NCC training. The main aim, or we can say that contribution that we are be a part in NCC, we are doing lots of things like social awareness activities or environmental issues or disaster relief, adventure and sports activities and other nation building efforts.
Okay. Discuss only one point. You have narrated two points. Okay, thank you. Next. एज एनसीसी कैडेट किस प्रकार का आपका योगदान इस समाज के विकास सेक्शन के लिए हो सकता है? जल्दी से बोलिए. Yes. Okay. Anyway, so you think it, and we shall going to ask next time in our next class, because time is short. So I have covered the second topic. So I will come to you after this. So let us go to the next slide. And bear in mind your responsibility to contribute as NCC cadet for the weaker society. Okay. Now come to the second, that is NGO's role and contribution. So what is NGO? Yes, please unmute yourself. Tell me the full form of NGO.
The National Governmental Organization.
Pardon?
National Governmental Organization.
Not national. Governmental. Pardon?
Non-governmental.
Okay, non-governmental organization is called NGO. Yes. So you see, there are so many NGOs in our society, in our state, in our country, who are assisting the downtrodden and poor person of the society. Apart from the assistance given by government, NGOs are also providing. So in this unit we shall come to know what type of role and contribution can be done by NGOs. So aim will be to acquaint the cadets about NGOs' role and contribution to society. So in part first we are going to deal what are NGOs, followed by second part NGOs contribution to society. Okay, part first is going to deal with what are the NGOs. So non-government organizations, there may be so many, so just a few types of NGOs. INGO, International Governmental Organization. As we have national, similarly we have international. BINGO, Business Oriented International Government Organization. RINGO, Religious International Government Organization. ANGO, Environmental Governmental Organization. So these are four types I discussed, but there are so many you can search on Google engine. So in our country, in the past, we saw Sri Niketan Yojana by Rabindranath Tagore, Seva Gram Yojana by Gandhi Ji, Gram Yojana by Vinoba Bhai, Child Relief, Helpage India, People for Animals and Society for Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, and you have seen in your society Red Ribbon Society and International Red Cross movement. All these are short types of NGOs who are working along with the government, because sometimes government are unable to do so. NGOs help them to uplift the social person who are very poor. So now the question arises again, what is the contribution of NGOs? You have seen that there are so many NGOs in our society in this case. So cadets, you have to muse and tell which kind of service can be rendered, can be provided, can be given by NGOs apart from the service given by government. So tell one by one service given to our society. Yes, please hurry up. एनजीओ के द्वारा किस प्रकार की सेवा समाज के उत्थान के लिए की जा सकती है? एनसीसी के कैडर्स होने के नाते हमें उन सर्विस के बारे में मालूम होना चाहिए, तभी हम एनजीओ को बुला सकते हैं। तो एक एक करके आप अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करें, किस प्रकार का कंट्रीब्यूशन समाज के उत्थान के लिए एनजीओ द्वारा हो सकता है।
Jai Hind, sir. My name is Suman Sharma. And sir, the NGOs providing different service in our society, and they can they are providing like animal welfare, like they are serving animals also, they are serving abandoned animals, they are serving on a starvation.
Okay, animals, because yes. Okay, one cadet, 1 point. Yes, animals, because nowadays so many animals are wandering in the street and no one is going to them food. So if we help them, so that is a great service on the part of the cadet, helping animals. Next.
Sir, like Hans Foundation provides books to our college students.
Hans Foundation assisted so many books to library as well as to the students. So who is the owner of Hans Foundation? हंस फाउंडेशन के ओनर कौन है उत्तराखंड में? सतपाल महाराज जी के भाई। यस, हंस फाउंडेशन, वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट, थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट
सर, हेल्थ सर्विसेज।
health services, you can go in AIMS, you can invite doctors for the checkup in our college, so that is also the health care can be done. Okay, thank you. Next.
Sir, NGO provide food to the homeless people.
Okay, food, yes, food. Nowadays need of food is great amid this COVID-19. Okay, thank you. Next.
Sir, they are doing child care.
Yes, child care also, because so many orphans are there. Yes, okay, thank you. Next.
So they are providing old age homes.
Old age help, yes. Nowadays no one bothers about parents because they are just lodged on our family, so we send them in ashram. So caring for the parents is the need of the viewer. Thank you. Next.
Providing clothes.
Speak loudly. Next. Okay, you have to think, you have to muse, and you will tell me in the next class. So whatever I have in my mind, I am just repeating to refresh your memory, like blood donation, adult literacy, anti-dowry drive, anti-leprosy drive, anti-drug drive, tree plantation, environmental program, help in natural calamities such as flood, earthquake, educating people around us, family planning program, community development program, promotion of social equality, wildlife and animal care, human rights, awareness campaign, child care, polio eradication drive, cottage industry, orphan and old age homes, and there are so many so forth you can do, you can find with the passage of time. So whatever we discuss in our first topic about social services, the same social services are given by NGOs. So these two topics have been discussed very rapidly. So I think basic ideas must be in your mind. So next time when you come with some preparation so that we can discuss. Topic will also be given. So with this, I extend my rapt attention, and next time you have to join before 15 minutes next class will be from Monday, and exactly 4:45 to 5, after 5 there is no one to going to join. So I extend thanks to all and one who was in my class. So with this we come to an end of these two topics that was dealt by me: social services and NGO's role and contribution. So we shall see you in our next class. Till then, goodbye. Thank you. Jai Hind. Thanks.